So everyone keeps asking me how to set up your data logger. We're in a 20 WRX. It's actually here for a dyno tune. So to set up your data log list, it is actually done on the handheld itself. If you're in your main screen, you just go to your gauge screen, because this is the screen that you use to log as well. So hitting the center button will start the logger. Center button again will stop the logger. The blinking lights mean it's logging. So you actually go up to setup, you go to configure data log. So I will give you a sheet that explains what you should be logging and what not. And basically to set what you need to log, you just simply click them. And the green highlighted means it is accepted. And you just literally hit the back button when you're done. And that saves it. So if you go back in, it will show those ABCS monitors are still set. So that's all you have to do. Anything on the sheet, make sure it's highlighted. The names are vaguely different, but you should be able to figure it out. There's two exceptions that's in bold in the email explaining the two major differences, and that's mainly boost extended, and on the sheet it's going to say manifold relative. Besides that should be about it, guys. If you have any other questions while going through it, don't hesitate, just let me know. I know it's a little confusing, but once this is set up, you never have to do it again, so it's really not that bad. All right, thanks.